So, everybody, I'm showing you the method how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. There you go. So, I'm going to go in between using my Shang cube and my Rubik's brand. So I'm going to be showing you how to solve this. So, let's scramble it up. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is solve the white cross. So we already have one white piece, so this white piece and green piece. So we're going to put that there. So these are aligned, and here's a white and orange, so put the orange and it's there. So now, here's another one. Here's a white and red, and let's put it right here. So there's the white and red. And what I do is when I have it right here, you can't just put it there, just bring it back up. So the next thing I'm going to do is there. So if you want me to go a little bit slower, I will. So let's bring the white, red, and green and red. So let's bring that there. So we have it here, so we bring it there and bring it down so we have it. So now this is twisted wrong, so we're going to bring it back, bring it up, bring it aside, bring it down, bring this side, bring it up. There you go. Now bring it there, bring it. So now we have the top layer solved, and all of these are right with the corner piece. So if you ever have a case where we have this on this side and we want it over here, you just simply flip it over, flip it back, flip it over. So now that brings that over here. So that was an easy one, but this time to bring this piece over here. So right, so you up, right, up, right, up, front, up, down. So that brings up there. So now let's find another one. So here's the orange and blue. So I'm going to do up, right, up, right, down, up, front, up, down. So so you might have something like that, so you're gonna have to put it in there. So do the same method. So now we have it there. Do the same method. So now we are going to get something like this, a V, if you put it like this. So we're gonna do front, right, front, down, right, down, front to the side. And then now you get this yellow in a line. Then you do that again. So right, front, right, up, right, down, up, and there. So then I'm gonna try to make the top. So we're gonna try to make something. So what we're gonna try to do is make. So here's my Shang cube. So we're gonna try to make this white cross with this. So we're gonna do right, up, right, down, right, up, down. So now we have that there. So we do it again. Right, up, right, down, down. So now we have the white and yellow side solved. So now we have one side that has two of these right. So we're gonna put those there. So then we're gonna try to make it have on each side. So we're gonna try to make each side have that. So what we're gonna do is, so we're gonna try to make so every side has this on it. So what we're gonna do is right, front, right, back 2 times, and right up, right down, right, back 2 times, right, up. So now we have that on each side. So now the algorithm we're gonna do is for this you can either choose to do the long one, which I think is easier, or the short one, a little complicated. But so this one here, so this is the first one. We did it, so right down. So that is one way, but here's another way. So I'm gonna do it on this one instead. So do front, just do that, and then do that, then that, and that's another way. But that, I think that'd be harder. But okay, so here I'll show you how to do it. So right down, right down, right down. There you go. So in there, you just solved it. You solved their Rubik's Cube. So yeah, there you go. So next thing we're gonna do after this, solve the 4x4. So get ready.